play the videos very well. And the drive, Google Drive, also I can upload my files and to save on the Google Cloud. Yeah, it works perfect. And the Google Map, it also works perfect. Can locate my position, and I can use it to navigate and go back, and you can see the photo. So I can synchronize my photos to the Google Drive. So Google Photos and Google Search. Here, the Google Search, if you want to search something, you can use a Google Search, and it works perfect. And the Chrome, Google Chrome. So I already logged on my Google account, so I can synchronize. Here, you can look. So I already logged my Google account, and I can synchronize my favorite and my bookmarks. So let's have a look and click the dot here, 3 dots in the top, and let's go to the bookmark here. You can see I have 175 bookmarks, so it can synchronize onto my mobile phone, and I have another 14 marks for my PC from my PC. So both those PC's bookmark and mobile bookmark can be synchronized easily. So after that, you can use the Google's application perfect. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to install the Gbox with easiest way, so easier way to do that. We will use the app gallery, the Huawei app gallery, which is in your mobile phone or in your MatePad Pro. So using the app gallery of the Huawei's official app gallery to install this Gbox. Okay, then let's have a look at the settings, and let's check my phone system and update to see the version of my system. Software update, click it. So I'm currently using the Harmony OS 3, the latest version of my Harmony OS. So this method also suitable for your EMUI 12 or EMUI 13 or EMUI 11. So all kinds of Huawei's latest or previous system is supported by this method. Using this Gbox virtual machine method, can be support to all the kind of Huawei's MatePad, so MatePad Pro, MatePad 11, and or EMUI 12, EMUI 13, so all kinds of EMUI system, and the Harmony OS 2 and Harmony OS 3 all supported. Okay, then let's go to the app gallery. Let's have a look how to install the Gbox to use Google's applications and Google GMS. Let's click the app gallery to open the app gallery. And currently, my region is in the country of UK. Let's have a look. Click this me, and go to down. Let's scroll down to the settings here. The settings, click that settings, and scroll down. Have a look. You can see I'm currently in the region, a country or region in the United Kingdom. But in the United Kingdom, you cannot find the Gbox. So we needed to change the country and the region to Mexico. And then you can find the Gbox. I will click United Kingdom and change country and the region. Click it. Then click OK. Yes, and we will go to Mexico, go to M, go to the M. And go to the Mexico here, to Mexico, and change your country to Mexico. I continue. Then you need to key in your password. Your Huawei account password. Can you key in your Huawei account password? Okay, after keying your password, and you will see your currently country region is Mexico. Then click OK. So now I changed my location from UK to the Mexico. Then you can search the Gbox. Here you can search Gbox. Let's have a look. Gbox search here. Search. You will find the Gbox on the top of the screen. So before that, I will uninstall. So I will uninstall the Gbox. So I will show you how to do that. Okay. So uninstall the Gbox. Uninstall. So all your Google's application will be disappeared immediately. The Google GMS, Google's environment disappeared because I deleted. Very simple. And go back to the app gallery, and we go to click this Gbox. You will see that the size is 4 megabytes, and there's some introduction of this Gbox. Let's go here, and the latest version is January 18th. This is the latest version, and click this one to have some introduction. Gbox always allows you to use do account or sign in, something blah blah like that. You can have a look and go back. So Gbox, and click install here, this blue button, click install, so that you will see the Gbox will be installed into your Huawei phone. Installing still. Okay, click, you can see open here, which means we already finished the installation. So yeah, you can see here, this is newly installed Gbox. Okay, then very simple. So right, so let's click the Gbox and click agree. Yeah, and disable battery optimization, which means to prevent the Huawei mobile phone to kill this Gbox application in the background. Then you will not use the applications. So we will need to disable the battery optimization. Click disable, and let's have a look. Check here, this green button to check the authority should be provided to the Gbox. Okay, I click check. And the required permissions, we need to enable some necessary permissions. Click enable, and you can see if you want to use a Google Map, so I recommend that you can allow only while in use or allow all the time. If you allow only while in use have any issues, then I suggest you allow all the time if you want to use a Google Map to navigate, to locate your position. So for me, I just click allow only while in use. Click the first one. Allow message, so click allow, and access media file, allow, and access device information, allow. So you can see it is enabled, and this button is grayed out. So let's go back, and then you can see there's no Google App Store. No problem, I think. So if you want to see the Google App Store, it's very easy. You just, for example, if you want to see the Google App Store, then you just click this one, click this one, and you will see download, this button here, the download. You can click the download, then it will open the Google Play service, the Google Play Store. Yeah, it's very easy, right? Google Play Store, and click sign in to sign in to the Google account. Okay, then I click the button of the sign in to sign in the Google account. So the Gbox will simulate another model of the mobile phone, like Samsung's model or other models, which is which has the Google Google GMS. So it will simulate another model of the of your phone. So you will receive an email in your Google Gmail, in your Gmail account. In your Gmail, you will receive an email said there's another phone logged in your Google account, which means the Gbox is simulate another model of the phone. Okay, I will key in my Google account. Yeah, and click next. Click next. After that, then we will key in our password. Okay, then I key in my password. Okay, then we click next. Okay, so then I click I agree. Very easy, right? Just a second. Okay, perfect. So we already logged in the Google Play Store. You can see your device isn't compatible with this version. It's no problem. We just go back. Yes, here we go back. Yeah, then we will go back the main screen of the Google App Store. So if you want to install the other applications, like if you want to install the YouTube, then search it, you will find this YouTube in the App Store. Yeah, it's right. Then click install to install the YouTube. Let's have a look. Just be patient. It depends on your internet speed. Just be patient until it finishes the installation. Okay, perfect. So you can see they finished it installed. The YouTube is installed successfully. Let's go back to our desktop. You can see there's no YouTube. Okay, no problem. Then I go to Gbox again. Then you can see tried adding to launcher. So you need to give this Gbox the permission to add the shortcut onto your screen. So let's go to the settings and go to the permission here. This one is the permission. give the permission here, and you can see allowed and denied. So we needed to give the permission of the create home screen shortcut. Give this permission here. Click it and allow. Click allow and go back. So you can see create home screen shortcut. So if you after that, then we can add a shortcut on our desktop. So you can see there are other authorities here or other permissions. It depends on your own requirement. If you want to use the related permission, you need to give it the related permission. For example, if you want to use the calendar, then you need to give the calendar the permission allow. Go back. So let's go back to the screen, and then you can go back to the Gbox. And how to add a shortcut? Just a long time. Click this YouTube button and click this one. Create a shortcut. Then add the shortcut. Okay. Then go back. You can see the YouTube is already here. So for the another method to go to the settings permission is you can go to the settings and go to the app and service here, app and service, and then go to apps, and then you can search here Gbox, and Gbox is here. Then you can go to Gbox and the permission here. Go to the permission, and you can give the permission of the create home screen shortcut, or give the other permissions like camera or microphone or physical activities, something like that. This is another method if you want to change the permission. Okay, let's go back, and we can click the YouTube to have a look. Click the YouTube if it works or not. Yeah, perfect. You can see the YouTube can be opened and can be played perfect. Okay, go back. So let's go back to the Gbox here, Gbox, and you can't find the Google app, Google Play Store. No problem. You just long time click anyone. For example, you can long time click this one and click upgrade. Click upgrade, and you can see you will find the Google App Store will be launched. And go back, and you can see the Google Play is here, and you can search for the application if you want. Okay, so this is one way to give you the instruction how to launch the Google App Store. And another way is you can long time click anyone. For example, this one, Google Drive or Docs, long time click and click this download here. Click download, and you will see the Google Play Store also can be triggered. You can find that one and go back, and you can now search for your applications if you want to install, like Chrome. You can click the install to install the Chrome applications. Let's have a look. I will install the Chrome again. Click install. Okay, Chrome installed successfully. Then you can see it automatically pop up the window for you to add a shortcut onto your screen. I click add. So let's go back. You can see the Chrome is already on your. You can see the Chrome is already on your screen. Then we can click the Chrome to open the Chrome, and see it access your contact. Click allow, and it will synchronize your bookmark, and click accept and continue. You can see your Google account is already here, so you can synchronize your history or bookmarks, something like that. Click I am in. Yes, I'm in. So that your bookmark will be synchronized, and your browse history will be synchronized. It's very easy to synchronize, browsing the web page when synchronized with your PCs or other phones. Okay, so it's a Chrome. It's very easy, right? Then you can repeat the process and to trigger this Google App Store again. Click download. So go back and search, something like that. It's a very repeated process to install all the applications if you want. Okay, if you like my sharing, don't forget to thumb up, and see you next time. Bye bye.